The Giraffe and the Stubborn Acacia Tree. Hey everyone, have you ever felt like you're just not tall enough to reach your goals? Well, meet Gilda the giraffe, our curious friend who definitely knows that feeling. Gilda loves munching on leaves, but there's just one snag: she can't reach the delicious ones at the top of the stubborn acacia tree. Imagine Gilda standing there, craning her long neck and repeatedly getting frustrated. Why won't you grow taller? She wonders, and it seems like the tree has no plans to budge. Sounds relatable, right? Let's dive into Gilda's hilarious journey of trying to convince the acacia tree to give her a little help. Gilda's plan. So, Gilda's had enough of playing get the leaf charades. One day, inspiration strikes her like lightning. What if I start a petition? She thinks. Because why not, right? Who doesn't love a good community effort? But Gilda knows she can't do it alone. She needs to rally her friends for this grand mission. So off she goes, gathering the animal crew. First up is Oliver the wise owl, who always has the best advice if only he could remember where he put it. And then there's Max the cheeky monkey, always swinging by with a joke or two. Together, this wacky team is on a mission. They're armed with enthusiasm and a whole lot of imagination. With your charm and my height, we can convince that tree, Gilda declares. Let's see what they can cook up. Presenting the petition. Cut to the acacia tree, standing tall and proud, but still as stubborn as ever. Gilda and her gang gather round, critters everywhere excited and eager. Okay, everyone, it's showtime. Gilda steps up, holding the scroll high. Dear Mr. Acacia Tree, we, the undersigned, kindly request that you grow taller so that I dies well. Before she can finish, Max interjects, and so that I can stop serving as a leaf lookout. Cue the laughter. The tree starts shaking. Wait, is it shaking? It bursts into laughter. Oh dear, I've tried everything to look my best. You think just growing taller will help? The acacia tree explains that it has a whole tree makeover plan in mind. The compromise. So here's the deal. Instead of just begging the tree to grow, Gilda proposes a new plan. How about this? It'll help you attract some bees, and you help me reach those yummy leaves. The tree seems intrigued. Attract bees? I love bees. They're such buzzworthy friends. And with that, a twinkle of hope sparks in everyone's eyes, including the acacias. Now brainstorming begins. The animals start shouting out ideas. What about a flower crown? Suggests wise Oliver. Or a dance to get their attention, chimes in Max. Gilda laughs, picturing the tree trying to dance. Will it be graceful? Probably not. Fashion forward. And so the tree gears up for its big transformation. First, it tries on a flowery ensemble, wrapped in blooming vines. As Gilda stands back, the other animals cheer. Look at those flashy colors. But the reaction isn't what they expected. The zebras start giggling. Undaunted, the tree tries another look, a stylish bow tie. How do I look? It asks, swaying side to side. The meerkats can't contain their giggles, and even Gilda is holding her sides from laughing too hard. The animals take turns giving fashion advice. Gilda wonders aloud, are we sure trees are meant to strut their stuff? But it's all in good fun. The bees arrive. After all the laughter, Gilda and her crew finally get things in place to attract the bees. They sprinkle flower petals around the base of the tree and buzz around to create a lively atmosphere. Let's get buzzing, team. Exhilaration fills the air, and soon enough, bees start arriving, flitting about the beautiful flowers. Look, they love it, Gilda exclaims, and for a moment, even the acacia tree looks a little shy but happy. Suddenly, a flurry of activity begins as the bees do their thing, making the tree flourish, leaves sprouting like crazy. Gilda can't help but beam with joy. Resolution. Before you know it, the stubborn acacia tree stands taller than ever, decorated in splendor and Otho's leaves. They're now within Gilda's reach. Finally, she shouts, munching away on the tastiest leaves available. All the animals gather around to celebrate, sharing laughs and munchies. They've created not just a bridge between Gilda and the acacia, but formed a fun little community. As we wrap up, Gilda reflects, teamwork really makes the dream work. She uses her long neck not just to reach leaves, but to connect with friends. So, remember folks, sometimes the best way to get what you want is to ask for help and maybe have a bit of fun along the way. Till next time, bye.